Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are one of those that like widgets and or would like to see some third-party widgets in Windows 11, it seems that Microsoft is going to allow third-party widgets to actually be in the store, in the Microsoft Store. When the widgets panel was released and shown at the Windows 11 event, they actually had shown widgets, but we're kind of not really talking about anything else. They were talking about first-party widgets. First-party means Microsoft-made widgets that would be in this panel, and that's it. Well, a leak from a Twitter user, a guy that often leaks all sorts of Windows things, called Firecube, has uncovered little details in text. One of them is in one of the texts that he's found. It says, "How can I improve the discoverability of my widgets? How do I publish a Windows app widget?" And so on, which means that Microsoft might be working on making available third-party widgets in maybe during this year. So this would be a good idea. I think having third-party widgets is nice. I think that might actually encourage some people to make widgets and maybe add all sorts of useful widgets that we could use. I like widgets when they're well made. I am a fan of using widgets on Android, for example, on my phone. But, Windows widgets panel is still kind of incomplete. There was talk about the widgets panel could be eventually full screen, and that kind of even pinning widgets, maybe even on the desktop, but there's none of that yet. So we're still kind of in the beginning of the widgets panel. Even Insiders, we had the widgets come with the weather app giving weather on the bottom left, which was kind of neat. I kind of like that. They removed it now, but apparently it should come back. And if widgets are or have the ability to display information in the empty spaces of the taskbar, that could also be quite interesting. So we'll see what's happening with that. But apparently it would seem Microsoft is open to having widgets from third-party companies and users that would like to make them for Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.